Okay, so this is kind of an antique shop, so they have a lot of older clothes and pictures. So we're just going to walk by and just kind of see all the different stuff that they have. So yeah, it looks like kind of all these really cool looking antiques everywhere. And there's a whole row. I think it's a special day for it as well. And a pretty cool vehicle right here too. Wow. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Right here too. Wow. That's kind of a cool little vehicle as well. Harley Davidson. Different Harley Davidson stuff. Bud Light dogs. That's pretty cool. Oh, big boy. It's really cool. Really old style Budweiser. Let's see what other stuff they have. So, okay. So there's kind of a whole row of this row and this row. So we're gonna walk around a little bit. And let's go to this side. Actually, let's walk right down the middle here. Different neckties. Fantasy flyer. It's like a really old style for kids. Oh. Gone away is the bluebird. Walking in the winter wonderland. Gone away is the bluebird. Hear the bluebird, hear the sing. This is pretty interesting too. Nice map. He sings a love song as we go. The table looks amazing. Walking in the winter wonderland. So, okay, so over there is kind of more of an antique row, and then these are more shirts. So we're gonna walk over to the antique area. Pretty cool stuff. Ah, Virgin Mary. And then we have this interesting and this interesting thing too. An old camper van. It's pretty cool. So it's pretty cool. Good music. So, let's take a look at this. Don't touch. That looks really cool. I've never actually seen a real one. I've just seen it in the. Wow. Some really classic cars here. Wow. Blues Brothers up there to save and protect. Some really cool. So this is in front of Central World right here.
looks pretty cool right there too, right? The Central World. It's Siam area. It's pretty cool. So we're just gonna walk on this other side, and then we're gonna conclude this part of the video shortly. Vintage clothing. And okay. So yeah, this is Rod's Antique Buy and Sell. So it says it right there in front of Central World in Siam. So we'll end this one right here.